What is up, guys? Right now we are working on the Yukon. I think progress done already. I didn't record when I first started doing it, but all I did was just find all the dents, circle them, and then right now I just fixed them all up. As straight as it can be. Missing one dent right here, but that's about it. And then after I fix that dent, it's ready for primer. Wherever I did everything, after I primer it, I will be working on top of the roof right now. The roof is probably going to be the hardest part to do because it's fully burnt up there. So like right here, it was burnt all right here, but I was able to sand it off with what did I sand it with? 150. And so I sanded that whole edge all the way around basically. And yeah, so now it's all ready for primer. There's only one dip back here, and then the sides, there wasn't really anything major, but there were a lot of small dents. But we got about just all of them already. So right now we're just gonna fix the other dent I have over there, and yeah, that's it. Already done, and I just do have some of it covered up. I just don't have anything covered up right here because not that much. This side too, and right now I'm actually gonna mix the primer right now and throw it on. People and I wonder all day, who are you and you are not the one in your way. And then I think about myself and I stay. I'm a pretty boss, look on my shit bright ways. I'm a freak in the sheets, but I got class. I'ma grab an ass if you want it. You ever had, give it to you back. Okay guys, it is the next day, and I had it blocked already, or I had all the Bondo where the dents were. I blocked it and I re-primered it. So there's a few dents. There's like 3 here, another 3 there, 2 there, and I think 3 there on the fender. And there's one on the back as well, right here. I blocked that. I blocked it right here too. There's like 2 of them right here. There's like 4 of them right here. Maybe like another 4 right here, and like 3 right there. So I had it all blocked again. So next off is to take off the roof rack and start sanding up there because it's all burnt. So that's will be on the next video. And for my girl's truck, and here's my girl's truck right now. I already have the wing painted. I just gotta put the little screws on, and the door's fixed actually now. Oh, I don't have the keys though.